Today, I'll be showing you how to install Windows 11 on your laptop. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need to download Rufus. Open any web browser that is on your computer. Type to search Download Rufus. Click to open the first link. Move down and click on this. Next, type to search Download Windows 11 ISO. Again, click to download this first link. Move down and select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO. Click Download now. Choose the language that you would like to use and click on Confirm. Click on Download 64-bit. The download will start and this process will take long, so you have to be patient. Okay. Insert your USB drive of at least 8 GB into computer. Now click to open Rufus. Under Boot Selection, click on Select option. Choose the ISO file that you already downloaded. Leave other things as it is and then click on Start. Here, if your computer does not meet the requirements, click on Remove Requirements for 4 GB plus RAM, Secure Boot and TPM 2.0, and even remove requirement for an online Microsoft account. Then click on OK. Now wait Rufus to make bootable USB drive for you. Here you can see it's ready. Now click to restart the computer. Press your bootable key to enter boot menu. Under boot menu, choose the USB drive that has the operating system. Select your language and then click on Next. Select Keyboard Input Method and then click Next. Click on I agree everything will be deleted, including files, apps, and settings. Click on Next. Click on I don't have a product key. Choose Windows 11 Pro and then click on Next. Click on Accept. Here select the disk and click on Next. Click on Install option. The setup will start and this will take some time, so you have to be patient. Select your country and then click on Yes to continue. Select Keyboard and click Yes to continue. Click Skip. Click I don't have internet option. Enter your user's name and click on Next. That's it. You've successfully installed Windows 11 on your laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.